I want to go to the wider audience first and ask them who thinks the government is right to encourage older people with large homes to move into smaller properties? Or would that be putting unfair pressure on those people? Yourself? Can I get a...
I don't think it should be put on the older generation. Like, currently, it's just me and my parents that live at home, and I live part-time in Dublin. But I don't think just because of that my parents should be expected to downsize our family home. It was my mum's family home when she was a child. I don't think we should be expected to give that up. And even if they were to decide themselves to downsize, there's nowhere for us to go at home. There's no houses available where we're from. It's just not feasible.
Yeah, I think that's going to be an issue again and again. Yes, yourself, just here.
Good evening, thanks. Delighted to be here. I'm Joe Hawkins from County Tipperary, and I believe that this isn't the right solution to the problem, the housing emergency that the government don't actually want to declare at the moment. I want to ask the Minister, where does he actually propose to put the people that are going to downsize? Are they going to spend money on building smaller homes, or would they not just spend money on building 4-bed homes for families in need? Where I am in Clonmel in County Tipperary, they're building modular units for Ukrainian asylum seekers, and I'm all for humanitarian aid. I have a badge of equality here on my shoulder. But could they not put Irish people into these houses as well to integrate better into the community and to free up the housing emergency that we have at the moment?
OK, and you do a bit of work for Mattie McGrath, don't you?
I'm a community activist in Tipperary, in Clonmel, yeah, and I'm always delighted to help anyone in any emergency. And we are in a serious issue at the moment with housing. And look, it's a workable solution, but we have to make sure it's crucial that this is only optional for the people of Ireland, because we can't apply pressure to the older generation and leave them be tricked. It isn't just about policy; it's about human decency to leave people make the decision themselves. Thanks.
OK, and I should say, because you do sound like almost a professional politician there, but you're only 16, am I right?
17 today,
17.
actually.
Oh, 17 today. Happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
OK. Can I... did you have your hand up yourself in the front here? Yeah.
If there's encouraging people to downsize, where are they going to move to? Where's the smaller properties to move into? And if they do sell a bigger house, will they not spend the money renovating, doing up to a smaller house?
Yeah.
Like, what incentives? Is there going to be tax incentives, or is there going to be another talking shop for the government, or what's it going to be?
OK. OK. Yeah, we'll get to that. We have the Minister there to ask him. Yes, yourself there.
I think it's important that everybody, old or not, have the opportunity to right-size their home. And if you are that older person, you have to think what could be coming down, and you have to take control of the decision now while you can, because further down the line, when you're unwell and you're older, you're looking at housing adaptation grants, mobility aid grants. So while you're able to take control of your own move, while you're able to take control of your own property, that you should be able to sit down with the facts in front of you, with the supports from government, with the information that you need to make those right decisions right in front of you. And I think then all of us would be able to make better decisions, regardless of your age.
OK, and just very quickly, if I can, because you've had your hand up for a long time, sorry. Yeah, go on.
No, I just believe that the idea is positive, but however, has the government any plan on how this is going to be done? You know, clearly set out a plan, and is there going to be a voluntary body that will oversee this plan happening? OK. And that the elderly people doesn't feel under pressure or coerced into doing it, that it will be out of choice, that they decided to downsize.